Alright, I'm going to show you guys today how to DeWalt 20 volt swap a Stacyc 12. These batteries don't quite fit in here. There's a difference in the sliders and the rails, and also a difference in the pinning. You can probably see that it does not go in. It's close to being the same, but it's just a little different. So first thing you got to do is have something with a 20 volt battery slot. I've already disassembled this one a little bit. What we're going to do is take this old junk flashlight here, and we are going to repurpose this battery slot as well as the pins for the DeWalt 20 volt battery. We're going to make that work in here. First thing you're going to want to do, there's two screws that hold on the foot pedals, and I've already taken that off. And then there are several screws. Mine were Phillips head, but I've heard that some of them are Torx right here, and those all need to come out. Once those come out, I've already obviously taken this apart a little bit. You'll see the speed controller and the motor and the drivetrain. And then right here, inside of the existing battery slider, you'll see the original tabs for the Stacyc battery. And you'll see these four wires. There's a black, green, blue, and red. And we're going to make this work. Alright, so here's the flashlight that I used. Just a DeWalt flashlight. It's got some T10 screws in the side of it. Take all those out and then cut the bottom off. And you'll end up with this battery clip. Then here's the side panels for the Stacyc. This needs to go here. So what I've done is made a couple select cuts with a hacksaw. And that's what you end up with. Made a small notch back here. I still left the screw in right here to hold the side panels together. And this battery clip will sit perfectly right in there. It should sit flush with it. That'll be up tight against the frame. Then you can secure this back loop right here through this. That'll be the support for the back of your battery tray. Alright, so here's how we have it soldered in. This is going this direction down the bike. You have your negative and then a blank. So negative, blank, green wire goes on this one, and the positive goes on the very far side. This is positive, green, blank, black. It's going to sit in here like this. It goes inside of your battery tray. Just like that. And this is going to sit right here up against the frame. So here's the end result after cutting and hacking. I've got the back loop of the battery slot tied in around this screw that holds the side panels together, and then the screw right here I drilled and tapped a 1/4-20 hole into the frame. It's fairly thick aluminum, so it should hold just fine. And this thing is solid. This thing is very beefy. And there we go. Everything works as should. And the clearance is good.